Do you like apples? Have you ever tried apple tea? This is one of the most popular teas in the world. Since it is a refreshing beverage made from an easy-to-find fruit, apple tea is used to treat many health problems. We brought 9 reasons for you to make and drink apple tea, and the 7th reason is why we decided to bring you this video. Apple tea has an antioxidant action that reduces premature and natural aging. It helps prevent some types of cancer thanks to its phenolic compounds. Colon, lung, esophagus, skin, and breast cancer are some types that apple tea helps prevent. The soluble and insoluble fibers of apple tea help reduce inflammation and the fat cells called adipocytes. Because of that, apple tea can help with weight loss. It facilitates gastrointestinal transit due to its dietary fiber, improving the entire gastrointestinal system. Apple tea also acts to prevent and treat some diseases, mainly asthma, diabetes, and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. In addition to all that, apple tea also improves hair, eyes, and skin health thanks to its vitamins. It lowers the bad cholesterol levels in the blood and acts to prevent cardiovascular diseases and can even lower blood pressure. The enzymes that protect the liver are activated by apple tea. You can drink this tea an hour before sleep to ensure a restoring sleep. This effect is even more potent when you combine apple tea with other herbs like chamomile and passion flower. Write down the ingredients to make apple tea. 3.5 ounces dehydrated apple, 1 cinnamon stick, 3 cloves, 2.5 quarts water. Put the ingredients in a pot, then add the 2.5 quarts of water. Once the water starts boiling, close with a lid and wait until the mixture thickens. After that, strain to separate any parts that aren't dissolved. And it's ready. Pour a cup and enjoy it. Versatile and tasty, apples can also be the star of many other recipes, like the fermented apples we recently showed here on the channel. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.